What is this?
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Hopefully alive.
Billionaire. Great first night.
Yes.
Yeah. Tomato? I don't know. Dirt? Greetings.
Meetings at the Soup Kitchen on Saturdays. It'd be great if you could spare some time to give the team a break.
Carrot. You're just special.
I look like I just woke up. And Brandy looks like the only one who actually wants to go to the store.
First time in Austin, am I right?
Alright, yes you are.
That's a town tourist because you cannot speak English.
What the fuck is it?
I think we passed it. I feel like
How Google Maps?
No, but we couldn't have.
Maybe
Unless it was
that
on the
one?
other side.
Are we just gonna like stop at the Union?
No, the bus stop is over there. I was trying to find the toy store and the candy shop.